Energy-efficient windows in Slidell are a top choice for homeowners looking to reduce energy costs and improve home comfort. These windows are designed to minimize heat transfer, keeping your home cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter. With energy-efficient window replacement in Slidell, you can enjoy lower utility bills and a more sustainable home environment with energy-efficient windows. Slidell Window Installation Services offer a wide range of options, including double-glazed windows, which are known for their superior insulation properties. Double-glazed windows in Slidell provide excellent thermal performance, reducing heat loss and improving energy efficiency. By choosing Slidell window insulation experts, you can ensure that your windows are installed correctly for maximum energy savings using energy-efficient windows. Slidell Vinyl window replacement in Slidell is a popular choice due to its durability and low maintenance requirements. Vinyl windows are resistant to weathering and provide excellent insulation, making them an ideal option for energy-saving windows in Slidell. With Slidell window installation specialists, you can maintain the performance and appearance of your vinyl windows for years to come with energy-efficient windows. Slidell Window upgrade services in Slidell can enhance the energy efficiency of your home by replacing outdated windows with modern, energy-saving options. Energy-saving windows in Slidell are designed to reduce heat transfer and improve indoor comfort. By upgrading your windows, you can enjoy a more comfortable living environment and lower energy bills through energy-efficient windows. Slidell window glass replacement is essential for maintaining the efficiency and appearance of your windows. Over time, window glass can become damaged or lose its insulating properties. With window sealing services in Slidell, you can ensure that your windows are properly sealed to prevent air leaks and improve energy efficiency with energy-efficient windows. Slidell Thermal windows in Slidell are designed to provide superior insulation and reduce heat transfer. These windows are an excellent choice for homeowners looking to improve their home's energy efficiency. By working with a Slidell window contractor, you can ensure that your thermal windows are installed correctly for optimal performance using energy-efficient windows. Slidell Window frame replacement in Slidell is an important aspect of maintaining window efficiency. Old or damaged window frames can lead to air leaks and reduced energy performance. With Slidell window efficiency solutions, you can replace your window frames and improve the overall energy efficiency of your home with energy-efficient windows. Slidell Window maintenance in Slidell is crucial for ensuring the longevity and performance of your windows. Regular maintenance can help prevent issues such as air leaks and condensation, which can impact energy efficiency. Slidell window weatherproofing services can help protect your windows from the elements and maintain their performance with energy-efficient windows. Slidell Window energy ratings in Slidell provide valuable information about the energy performance of different window options. By understanding these ratings, you can make informed decisions about which windows are best for your home. Slidell window retrofitting services can help improve the energy efficiency of your existing windows by upgrading their components with energy-efficient windows. Slidell Looking for energy-efficient window replacement in Slidell? Our Slidell window installation services offer top-notch double-glazed windows and vinyl window replacement. With our Slidell window insulation experts, you can enhance your home's energy efficiency and comfort through energy-efficient windows. Slidell Our window upgrade services in Slidell ensure your windows are not only energy-saving but also aesthetically pleasing. Slidell window installation specialists are here to address all your window maintenance needs. From window glass replacement to window sealing services in Slidell, we provide comprehensive solutions to keep your windows in optimal condition. Our thermal windows in Slidell are designed to reduce heat transfer, ensuring your home stays comfortable year-round with energy-efficient windows. Slidell For those seeking window frame replacement in Slidell, our Slidell window contractor offers expert services to enhance your window efficiency. We specialize in window weatherproofing and window energy ratings in Slidell, ensuring your windows perform at their best. Our window retrofitting services in Slidell are perfect for upgrading older windows to meet modern energy standards using energy-efficient windows. Slidell. Window caulking in Slidell is essential for preventing drafts and improving window performance. Our Slidell window energy audit services help identify areas for improvement, ensuring your windows contribute to energy savings. With window glazing services in Slidell, we enhance window sustainability and UV protection, reducing energy costs and protecting your interiors with energy-efficient windows. Slidell. Slidell Window Performance Improvement is our specialty, offering solutions for window heat reduction and UV protection. Our energy-efficient windows in Slidell are designed to maximize window efficiency and sustainability. Trust our Slidell window contractor for all your window needs, from installation to maintenance and beyond, including energy-efficient windows. Slidell.